Life can get busy. We all need a place to unwind and reconnect with ourselves. For me, that place is the garden. There's something so calming about digging in the dirt, planting seeds, and watching them grow. It's a reminder that even in the midst of chaos, there's still beauty and growth all around us. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey that nourishes not just our bodies, but our minds and souls as well. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's room for a little bit of green in your life. Gardening gives you a chance to slow down. You can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a time to reconnect with nature and find peace within yourself. So grab your gardening gloves and let's discover the joy of growing something beautiful together. Did you know that gardening has amazing benefits for your mental health? It's true. Studies show that spending time in nature can reduce stress, ease anxiety, and even combat depression. When you garden, your body releases endorphins. These are natural mood boosters that make you feel happier and more relaxed. Gardening can be a meditative experience. You focus on the present moment, caring for your plants. Research from the University of Essex found that just 5 minutes of gardening can improve your mood and self-esteem. Other studies have shown that gardening can help people cope with PTSD and improve their overall well-being. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, step outside and spend some time in your garden. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. There's something truly magical about planting a tiny seed and watching it transform into a beautiful flower or a delicious vegetable. It's a reminder that even the smallest beginnings can lead to incredible growth. The act of nurturing something and watching it thrive gives us a sense of purpose and accomplishment. It teaches us patience, resilience, and the importance of caring for something outside of ourselves. Each stage of a plant's life cycle offers a valuable lesson. From the first sprout to the vibrant bloom, we witness the power of nature unfolding before our eyes. And when we harvest the fruits of our labor, it's a reminder that hard work and dedication pay off. So, embrace the journey of growth in your garden. It's a reflection of your own personal growth and the boundless possibilities that life has to offer. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel scattered and overwhelmed. Our minds are constantly bombarded with information and distractions. But when you step into the garden, something magical happens. The simple act of digging in the soil, watering plants, and pulling weeds helps to ground you in the present moment. It allows you to shift your focus away from worries and anxieties, bringing a sense of peace and clarity. Gardening requires focus and attention to detail. As you tend to your plants, you naturally improve your concentration and develop a sense of mindfulness. You become more aware of your surroundings, noticing the subtle changes in nature. So, if you're looking for a way to quiet your mind and improve your focus, look no further than your own backyard. Let the garden be your sanctuary, a place where you can escape the noise and reconnect with yourself. Gardening isn't just a solitary activity. It's a wonderful way to connect with others who share your passion for nature and growing things. Joining a community garden is a great way to meet new people, share gardening tips, and learn from experienced gardeners. It's a place where you can work together to create something beautiful and reap the rewards of your collective efforts. Sharing your homegrown produce with friends, family, and neighbors is a rewarding experience. It's a way to spread joy, build community, and foster a sense of belonging. Whether you're swapping seeds with a neighbor or volunteering at a local community garden, gardening offers countless opportunities to connect with others and build meaningful relationships. There's nothing quite like the feeling of accomplishment that comes from growing your own food or creating a beautiful garden from scratch. It's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and ability to nurture something beautiful into existence. Gardening teaches us valuable life lessons about patience, perseverance, and problem solving. When you overcome challenges in the garden, whether it's dealing with pests or reviving a struggling plant, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. As you witness your garden flourish under your care, you develop a stronger sense of self-reliance and belief in your own abilities. You realize that you have the power to create something beautiful and meaningful. So embrace the challenges and celebrate your successes in the garden. Let it be a reminder of your own strength, resilience, and the incredible things you're capable of achieving. You don't need a green thumb or a vast knowledge of horticulture to experience the joy of gardening. All you need is a little bit of space, a few basic tools, and a willingness to learn and grow. Start small with a few potted herbs on your windowsill or a small raised bed in your backyard. Choose plants that are easy to grow and well-suited to your local climate. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. Gardening is a journey of discovery, and every season brings new opportunities for growth and learning. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gardening gloves, find a sunny spot, and let's get planting. Your journey to a happier, healthier you starts in the garden. Have you ever noticed how simply being in nature makes you feel better? It's like a breath of fresh air for your soul. Well, there's a scientific reason for that. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower your blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and even boost your immune system. And when you add gardening to the mix, you get an extra dose of these amazing benefits. When you dig your hands into the soil, you're actually connecting with beneficial microbes that live in the earth. These microbes can have a positive impact on your mood and overall well-being. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, step outside and spend some time in your garden. Let nature work its magic on you. One of the most wonderful things about gardening is that it's accessible to everyone, no matter where you live or what your physical abilities may be. If you have limited space, consider container gardening on your balcony, patio, or even indoors. Vertical gardens are also a great option for small spaces, allowing you to grow herbs, vegetables, and flowers on trellises or walls. For those with mobility issues, raised beds or tabletop gardens can make gardening easier and more enjoyable. There are adaptive gardening tools available to assist with various tasks. The key is to find what works best for you and create a garden that brings you joy. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to garden, so embrace your creativity and let your personality shine through. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It's a flavor that you just can't find in the grocery store. But the rewards of gardening go far beyond the delicious bounty you harvest. When you grow your own food, you know exactly where it came from and how it was grown. You can control the use of pesticides and herbicides, ensuring that your food is healthy and safe for your family. Gardening also encourages healthier eating habits. When you have an abundance of fresh produce at your fingertips, you're more likely to incorporate it into your meals. So plant those seeds, nurture your garden, and get ready to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. So there you have it, friends. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey of growth, connection, and well-being. It's a chance to slow down, reconnect with nature, and nurture your mind, body, and soul. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I encourage you to embrace the joy of gardening. Create a green space that brings you peace, inspires your creativity, and nourishes you from the inside out. So step into the sunshine, breathe in the fresh air, and let your garden be your sanctuary. Happy gardening,